The other day, a friend of mine was researching gardening, etc., different things. And guess what pops up on Google? Google is actually taking some of my videos, a particular one in particular for sure, and using them as a teaching aid. Now, I was totally surprised when he called me and told me this, because I had never thought that, just being an old gardener, somebody that enjoyed doing what I do, that would make a difference. But it absolutely made a difference. It made me feel good because my people out there, well, I'm getting through to people that need the information. I do a tremendous amount of research, continuously researching. And, instead of, it amazed me. I don't feel like I'm teaching the people. I feel like I'm teaching myself. Because when I put a video up, I get response from all over the world. Pawpaw, we do it like that here. We do it like this there. What it's doing is teaching me. I put it out as a broad outline. They bring it back filled in. So I don't feel like I'm teaching anybody. I feel like I'm being taught. And my sincere thanks goes out to my people. Thank you.